In today's video, we are going to share how you can file a trademark in 2024 in the most affordable way. We are going to be covering what a trademark is, why you might need one, and then we're going to show you a step-by-step process of how to file one online in the most affordable way in 2024. So stick around to the end of the video because you're not going to want to miss anything we have for you here today. And just a note, the company that we're using today is called Trademark Engine. We'll leave that linked down below in the description. Just know that if you use our link, we do get a small referral fee at no additional cost to you. This really helps us keep creating free videos and content like this for you. So thank you so much in advance. Let's get started by discussing what a trademark is. A trademark is a type of intellectual property consisting of a recognizable sign, design, or expression. This is going to identify a product or service from a specific source and distinguish it from others. A trademark essentially serves as a brand identity. This is going to help consumers recognize different products or services that originate from a specific individual or company. Let's briefly discuss why a trademark is important before we show you exactly how to file for one. A trademark legally protects the brand and its intellectual property. This is going to prevent others from using a similar sign, design, or expression. This will help avoid confusion in the market and ensure that an owner retains exclusive rights to use that mark when referencing their product or service. The second reason why a trademark is important is for brand identity. A trademark is going to be essential to maintaining a strong brand or identity in the marketplace. It's going to signify the origin of the product or service, and that's going to serve as an indicator of quality and reliability to the customer. The third reason is business value. A trademark can become an asset over time, increasing in value as the business grows. They can actually be sold, licensed, or used as security interest to secure loan financing. The fourth reason is legal presumption. Basically, this just means that you have the legal right to use this trademark nationwide, and it's your exclusive right to do so with your goods or services. The fifth is deterrence. A registered trademark can act as a potential deterrent and protect the intellectual property of your brand. And lastly, number 6 is social media presence and the internet. Having a trademark can make it easier for your brand to have a presence on social media and on the internet. This is obviously a place where infringement can be very common. It can really help in taking down infringement content and accounts that might misuse your brand name. To sum it all up, trademarks are a crucial aspect of protecting a brand's identity. They also provide good legal protection, contribute to the value of the brand, and help in fighting the misuse of your brand name or identity. Now that we know what a trademark is and why you might need one, let's walk through how to apply for one in the most affordable way. So like we said earlier, we'll leave that special link to Trademark Engine down below in the description. Go ahead and click on that, and then we can walk through the platform here together. And once you're on their homepage here, it should look like this. Just a couple things to know about Trademark Engine before we get started. They've filed over 120,000 trademarks since 2016. They have over 35,000 5-star reviews, and they've been rated a 4.8 by Forbes Advisor. Trademark Engine is a great affordable option that's also very reliable and trustworthy. Let's go ahead and scroll down to the bottom here before we get started, and we'll show you the 3 easy steps that we're going to do here in a second. The first one is just to answer a few questions that they have about our trademark. The second is we're going to compile our application and search, and the last thing is to file the application. Now that we understand the 3 steps that we're going to take here in a minute, let's go over some of the packages here. Depending on the specific needs for your trademark, you're going to have to choose between one of these 3 packages. The basic package is going to be $49, the standard will be $149, and the attorney-led registration will be $399. Now just note that in addition to this, there is a USPTO filing fee for each one of the plans. This money does not go to Trademark Engine, it goes directly to the government to make sure that you are filing your patent correctly, and you would have to pay this whether you go with Trademark Engine or not. Let's just briefly go over what these different plans include. The basic plan includes preparation and filing for your federal trademark application. It also includes a search on the federal trademark database for your chosen mark, and it's going to include electronic delivery of your trademark registration certificate. Now the standard plan includes everything from the basic plan and the following: a cease and desist letter to enforce your trademark. This is a $35 value. A custom trademark assignment, another $35 value, and lifetime customer support by phone, chat, and email. And lastly is the attorney-led registration package. This includes everything from the standard and the basic package and the following: a consultation with a trademark lawyer before filing, a comprehensive trademark search, and a trademark monitoring infringement alert. This is going to be a free trial for their service. Depending on what is right for your specific situation, you're going to want to choose one of these 3 plans, but today let's just get started with the standard package. Once you're in the trademark application process here, you'll have to choose whether you're selecting a name, a slogan, or a logo. For the sake of this this video, let's just select name. If you choose slogan or logo, different items will pop up and you might have to answer some different questions. Let's just choose name right now. Then it's going to ask you, does your mark include a person's name? Go ahead and answer these questions here. It's going to ask you if the letters are in English and if your business is currently using this trademark. Once you're finished with answering those questions, go ahead and click continue. Now it's going to ask you whether you're an individual or an organization. Go ahead and enter all this information in here for your name. And once you're finished with that, go ahead and scroll down to the bottom and click continue. Next, it's going to ask you to choose your trademark class. Now you can either choose goods or services. For the sake of this video, I'll just choose services, and then go ahead and choose the service industry that you're in and go ahead and enter a few more details about your goods or services that you're providing. Once you're finished with that, go ahead and click continue. Next, Trademark Engine will ask you to get a comprehensive search report if you would like one. So the basic federal direct hit search is the free one, and you can upgrade these if you would like to. Let's just go ahead and stick with the free one today. Okay, next it asks us to choose our package. So we said that we're going to choose the standard package here, but there's just a little bit more information about each one of the packages on the left-hand side here if you want to take a look at that. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and select choose package. And next, they're going to give you the option to file your trademark faster. Let's just go ahead and choose the standard delivery option for now. Now that you've done that, it'll bring you to the final page here and you can enter your payment information. And you'll see for that total of $149, we get our standard registration package with a free basic federal search, standard processing. We also get the free 10-day trial of the trademark monitoring subscription. So once you've accepted the terms and you're ready to place your order, just go ahead and select that button, place order. That is all we have for you today on how to file your trademark affordably in 2024. If you enjoyed this video and you would like to see more content like this in the future, please leave us a like and subscribe down below. We'll be sure to leave that link to Trademark Engine down below in the description. And lastly, this channel is dedicated to providing business owners and entrepreneurs like yourself with free videos and tutorials like this one to help you grow your business. Thank you so much for watching. We wish you the best on your entrepreneurship journey, and we will see you in the next one.